Hello Modernites, welcome back. In last two videos, you have learned some amazing facts about flying birds, like they have feather, wings and two legs. About flightless birds who have wings but their wings are small or less developed. Today, I am going to tell you about water birds. They have webbed feet, bills, and legs adapted to feed in the water, and the ability to dive from the surface or the air to catch prey in water. Water birds have specialized feet functioning as paddles for swimming that help them survive in the water. These birds eat water insects. It's time to meet them. Duck are aquatic birds found in both fresh water and sea water. Swans are gracefully long-necked, heavy-bodied, big-footed birds. Flamingos are water birds. They live in and around lagoons or lakes. Pelican had a long beak and a large throat pouch used for catching prey. I hope you have enjoyed learning about water birds. Take care, keep learning and exploring. Bye bye.